So the DJI Osmo Pocket came out just a few days ago. I've seen people all over the internet talk about this product and what they think of it. People talk about it from a professional standpoint as well as even a consumer standpoint. There's been a lot of negativity about the fact that the camera just isn't good enough, but then there's been a lot of optimism about, wow, here's a camera that can fit in your pocket that has a 3-axle gimbal. Personally, after a few days with this device, I think it's absolutely incredible. For so long, I've shot video with my phone, and when I look back at it, sometimes it doesn't have the smoothness that I like when I compare it to some of the footage that I filmed using something like a Ronin S. So over the last few days, I've collected a handful of footage. Everything from footage in 4K to footage in 180p to even some slow motion footage, low light footage, and then even took the chance of doing some low light slow motion footage. Looking back at the footage, I have to say I'm pretty impressed with most of it. Some of it I wouldn't really take to market with, but why don't you be the judge? Here's a collection of some of that footage. Now that you've seen the video footage for yourself, comment below and let me know what you think. Is this an item that you're going to be adding to your bag or pocket in this case? Also, let me know if there's additional features that you'd like me to cover. With that being said, if you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my page, and I'll see you guys in the next video.